Hi everyone, it's Tanny Games here. I'm here telling you all what I'm going to be packing for Disney. Um, we've got a lot, I guess, to try and fit into one backpack. I'm going to try and get it in one backpack so that I can leave my suitcase for all the stuff that I intend to buy because I intend to buy a lot. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first up, and something that's very important is underwear. Now, I'm not going to show you that, obviously, but we have to get that packed. Now, next up is my Aurora bound. So I have this dress which has like pink and blue splotches on it. I thought that would be perfect for an Aurora Disney bound. Okay, and next up is my Goofy Disney bound, which actually comprises of like a dungaree dress and a orange top. All my Disney ears I'll pack last because I figure they're probably fairly fragile ish, and I don't want them shoved at the bottom of the bag. And next is going to be my Donald Goofy bound, which actually is really simple. I just have a blue dress and I've also got like a little red bow that I'm going to wear on the front as well. It's got like a little clip on it, so I'll clip that on the front of the dress. So that's it for the Goofy bound. Now I do also have pajamas, which I've put in here as well. I have my accessories, so I'll have my ears. So I've got Goofy ears, I've got the Donald ears, I've got my Aurora ears as well. I'll be bringing little bows for when I do my Goofy Disney bound. My plan is to do little bunches, and then I've also got the red bow, as I said, for Donald. I also have my La Luna Lounge flight. Now I'll use that bag for every single day that I'm in the parks. Obviously, I'll have my purse, I'll have my passport, and my German like Ausweis and stuff. My plan is also to bring my glasses because I do technically have to wear these. I don't, I don't, but I might need them if there's any like board signage that I want to see. Also going to be bringing two pairs of shoes. I'm going to bring my white Barbie trainers. I'll also be bringing my black trainers as well. But obviously one of those I'll wear on the day, and the other one I think I'm going to have to put in the suitcase. And also a swimming costume because we're staying in one of the hotels that has a pool. I don't know if they all have a pool, but I figure better safe than sorry. I'm going to bring this swimming costume as well. And then I also have my up hoodie, my little Paradise Falls one. It does also have like a couple of the patches on it. Not that I can find them now, but there are meant to be patches. Oh yeah, they're here. I did have a grape soda pin badge with it as well, but I've lost that. I don't know where that is. I think I lost that before I moved to Germany. But yeah, I think that's everything I'm bringing mainly. I have also got that will go in the wash bags, deodorant, obviously, shampoo and body wash and stuff. I'm also going to be bringing blister plasters. I'm going to be bringing some like sort of like aspirin and things like that just for like the days when it's a bit long. Also, excuse my hair. I did for the first time one of those heatless curls. This is how it turned out. It's a mess. Okay, I did it wrong. So that's why my hair is rather trashy. And obviously chargers and stuff like that. But the chargers I'll do last minute because obviously I still need them at the moment. But then I'll pack those in the bag along with the wash bag stuff, which will get packed last with toothpaste and things like that. Um, if you have any recommendations on what else I should bring, let me know. This is my first time ever to Disneyland Paris, my first time ever going to the parks. I am so excited. Like, I just can't believe it's happening. I'm kind of like at the stage where I kind of don't believe it is happening. So if you have any recommendations or tips and tricks, then please do let me know. But yeah, that's everything. So I'm really, really excited. I'm going to go and put my shoes and stuff in my suitcase along with this bag. So I'll just put this bag in the suitcase for when I'm traveling because it's easier to carry around. But yeah, I'm really excited and I can't wait. Here we come.